In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add email to Smartlead. By the end, you'll have your mailbox connected and ready to use for outreach, tracking, and replies, all inside your Smartlead workspace. First, open your browser and head to the Smartlead app. Make sure you're signed in with an account that has permission to manage email connections. This is where your outreach infrastructure lives, so it's worth confirming you're in the right workspace before moving on. Once you're in, look to the left-hand sidebar and find email accounts. This is your control center for adding new mailboxes, monitoring status, and keeping everything organized. Click it to open the email accounts dashboard. If you're setting this up for the first time, the page will be mostly empty. That's normal. Next, select Connect Mailbox. Think of this as starting the handshake between Smartlead and your email provider. You're not sending anything yet. You're just telling Smartlead which mailbox you want to use and how to access it securely. You'll now see options for different connection types. If your organization runs on Outlook or a custom mail server, you can choose Outlook or SMTP here. SMTP is best when you have server details from your provider and want a manual connection. However, if you're using Google Workspace or Gmail, the most secure and reliable path is Google OAuth. This uses Google's official sign-in and permission flow, which reduces deliverability issues and avoids storing sensitive credentials directly. Go ahead and click Google OAuth. A Google window will open, prompting you to pick the account you want to connect. Choose the mailbox you'll use for campaigns and follow the prompts to grant access. Smartlead requests permission to send and manage messages so it can schedule emails, track replies, and handle bounces. Review the permissions and confirm. If you manage multiple aliases or have two-factor authentication, complete those steps as prompted. Keep your recovery codes and personal details private. Smartlead never needs those in the app. When you return to Smartlead, click Connect Account to finalize the link. You should see your new mailbox appear in the email accounts list with a connected status shortly after. If it doesn't update right away, give it a moment and refresh. From here, you can move on to configuring campaign settings, warm-up preferences, or sending limits inside Smartlead. And that's it. Your email is now added and ready to power your outreach with better visibility and control.